Satisfaction guaranteed.
So, how was I?
Oh, you were good.
You mean good or unbelievable?
Oh, stop it. I can't take it anymore. You are terrible. I didn't get any pleasure. Not only didn't the earth move, the bed barely rocked. Oh, I wish there was something I could do about it.
Hello. Did you ever wish that you could sue someone because they didn't satisfy you sexually? Well, good news, now you can. At Jacoby and Myers and Masters and Johnson, we have a large staff of sexually experienced attorneys who want to get into your bedroom and get you the orgasm you deserve. Let's take a look at a typical couple engaged in lovemaking.
Lower, higher, lower, higher.
Ow! Ow! Watch your knees.
Not very appealing, and all too familiar. Now let's look at that same couple with the Jacoby and Myers and Masters and Johnson attorney present.
I'm sorry, Mr. Elliot, but your contract states that you must be nibbling her neck. And Miss Cortland, his feet must be fondled.
Oh,
Right, right,
Oh.
right.
See how easy it is when you let a no-nonsense litigator handle the negotiation of lovemaking. Your initial consultation is just $25, and your fee can be a portion of your settlement should your partner fail to satisfy your fetishes.
I got $5,000 because he missed my G-spot.
And I got $10,000 because she wouldn't go down on me.
At Jacoby and Myers and Masters and Johnson, if your partner doesn't get you off, we get you money.